Folding up a shirt can be really difficult at times, and sometimes just gets really frustrating. It can really slow down the laundry process when you're trying to just get things folded up and put away. So today I'm going to show you 3 ways you can fold a t-shirt, whether you're going to put it on a shelf, in a drawer, or if you're going to pack it in a suitcase. So if you want to learn how to do that, let's get started. So today I want to start off with a pocket fold. I'm going to start by having the t-shirt facing up and folding the bottom half and smoothing it out. Flip it over and smooth it out once again. You want to then fold the left side over so that it's halfway and smooth it out, and then fold over the left side. Make sure that you keep everything nice and smooth. You then want to fold the neck part over and then fold the bottom to meet the neck. Next, you want to put your thumbs in the fold and fold everything into a pocket inside out to form this nice, neat little pocket for the shirt. And there you have it. The next fold we're going to do is called a flat fold. This is a relatively easy fold, and it works great if you want to put things on a shelf. You want to start by flipping the t-shirt over so you have the back side up. Make sure everything is nice and smooth, and then fold the left side over halfway and then the right side. Next, flip the bottom halfway and then flip it one more time to meet the top, and then flip it over. And there you have it, a nice flat fold. This is perfect if you want to stack it on a shelf. So the last fold I have here is called a Ranger roll. I learned this from a guy named Jason from his YouTube channel, and I love this one because it gives you a nice tight roll. So you'll start by folding up the bottom just a little bit, just a few inches, maybe 2-3 inches up. This is the part you'll be using at the end to tuck everything in together. Make sure everything is nice and smooth on both sides. You'll want to make sure you take your time with this and make sure you have this nice and smooth, because this is a very important detail in making sure this roll comes out just perfect. I had to go through it a few times before I got it right, but once I got it right, it turned out great. You then want to make sure you turn the left side over and make sure it's halfway over, folding over the sleeve too and making sure that is completely smooth. Then you want to do the same thing with the right side, and also you want to keep everything smooth and tuck the right sleeve over, making sure you keep everything nice and smooth. Now you want to turn the shirt completely around so that the neck side is closest to you. You're going to start to roll the neck, and you want to keep everything nice and tight and neat, tucking any corners that are starting to stick out, and just roll nice and slowly and keeping it super tight. Continue rolling till you get all the way up to the top. Once you're at the top, you'll see the fold, and that's the part you want to pull over everything and tuck neatly on the side so that you'll have a nice neat roll. Make sure that you're getting the corners of the t-shirt inside that tuck to keep everything nice and tight. And there you have it, a nice, neat, tight army roll. It can go anywhere. Look at that. It won't even come apart. It is perfect if you need to tuck it into a backpack, a suitcase, or any type of bag, because you will not have to worry about it coming apart. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm glad you decided to stop by. If you're curious about learning more about Typically Neat and some of the things that we do, go ahead and check out some of these other videos. Make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. Give me a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. So leave me a comment below and let me know which method appealed to you the most. Until we meet again, hugs and love. Bye.